Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel English with AR Comrade. So today I'm going to talk a bit on non-verbal communication and its types. But if you want to know about verbal communication and its types, I have already made video about it. Link is in the description. Watch that video as well. Inshallah it will help you out. But before moving on to the topic, if you are new in this channel, do subscribe channel and press the bell icon for more videos. So let's come for a topic. What is non-verbal communication? Its definition is non-verbal communication is the transmission of messages or signals through a non-verbal platform. Now what are non-verbal platforms? Such as eye contact, that can be eye contact, that can be facial expressions, gestures, postures, and body language. So that is called non-verbal communication, and it has 8 types. The first one is Proxemics, Chronemics, physical characters, Kinesics, Haptics, Paralanguage, artifacts, and environment. So let's discuss it one by one with examples. Proxemics. Proxemics is a study of human use of space and the effects that population density has on behavior, communication, and social interaction. Proxemics remains a hidden component of interpersonal communication. Now, what's interpersonal communication? There is difference between interpersonal communication and intrapersonal communication. Its video link is also in the description. Watch that video as well. But I will tell what's interpersonal communication. Interpersonal communication means exchanging information between two or more persons. For example, communication between two friends. That is interpersonal communication, and that is uncovered through observation and strongly influenced by culture. So that is called proxemics. Then that four laws of distance by Edward T. Ellis that he has represented there. The first one is 0 to 8 inches. That distance, it means that intimate relationship, and if there is 18 inches to 4 feet, it means personal relationship, and if there is 4 to 10 feet distance, it means social relationship. But if there is 10 feet to infinity, that is called public relationship. So this was short introduction about proxemics, and its second type is chronemics. Chronemics is a study of the use of time in non-verbal communication. Now what comes in time? Like time perceptions include punctuality, that's the main point, willingness to wait, and interactions. The use of time can affect lifestyles, daily agendas, speed of speech, movements, and how long people are willing to listen. So these all points you have to remember. Then you should interact with any person, you should speak with any person. So this is about chronemics. And its third type is physical characters. It's a form of communication where symbols, signs, and gestures are used. Everyone possesses some form of physical communication skills. These include our body posture when speaking, eye contact, facial expressions like touch, etc. So these all comes in physical characters. According to what people see when they first set their eyes on you, judgments about your personality and abilities are being concluded in this type. So now here there are some many pictures. Like the first one is streetwear, casual, business casual, smart casual, business informal, and black the semi formal. So this is all about physical characters, and always we judge any person that by his clothes too, that what he wears. So this all comes in physical characters. And the fourth one is kinesics, also known as body language or body movements. Body movements include like gestures, posture, head movements, or whole body movements. Body movements can be used to reinforce or emphasize what a person is saying, and also offer information about the emotions and attitudes of a person. Its importance, like body language is the range of nonverbal signals that you use to communicate your feelings and intentions. These include your posture, facial expressions, and hand gestures. Your ability to understand and interpret body language can help you to pick up on unspoken issues or negative feelings in others. So certain body movements and gestures or the study of body language, that is called what? That is kinesics. And it's a picture of kinesics. Like the first one is that shows that I'm tired, the second one like little bit active, and the third one I'm sorry, yes you are guilty, and the fourth one like he's dancing. So this is all about kinesics. And the fifth one is haptics. Haptic communication is a branch of non-verbal communication that refers to the ways in which people and animals communicate and interact via the sense of touch. Touch is the most sophisticated and intimate of the five senses. Like touch is the most effective means to communicate feelings and emotions. The withholding of touch may communicate a variety of negative feelings. For example, if someone puts a hand on your shoulder, that can be a supportive gesture, but it also means it can also people can also take the meaning of it as a sexual advice to another person. So touch is also the main tool of non-verbal communication. And the sixth one is paralanguage. Paralanguage involves tone and non-verbal aspects of speech that influence meaning, including how loudly or softly you are speaking, intensity, pausing, and even silence. And like laughs, screams, signs. So these all comes in paralanguage. These includes voice quality, emotions and speaking style, rhythm, intonation, and stress. Paralanguage is also called vocalics. Like here are some pictures that one is sad, angry, and happy. Artifacts. What is artifacts? Communication artifacts are created as expressions of human through thought. They include advertisements, art, ceremonial, and documentary artifacts, exchange media, and personal symbols. Advertising artifacts are objects that were created to call attention to products, services, or events. The reason why artifacts are important, so it's the reason in non-verbal communication, is that they convey messages without the use of a speaking, means without the use speaking any word. So this is all about artifacts. And in artifacts, like it also comes in our that our preferences, taste, resources or lack of resources, social background, educational background, level of success, moral characters, femininity, important parts of first impressions. So these all comes in artifacts. And the last one is that is environment. Environment involves the physical and psychological aspects of the communication context more than the tables and chairs in an office. Environment is an important part of the dynamic communication process. The perception of one's environment influences one's reaction to it. So I hope it has been helpful for you, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video. If you have really liked this video, share with your friends, like, share, comment. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.